Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your PDF in Google Drive and actually share the link. It's actually really easy and simple guys. So this is what you want to actually do. So you can upload it directly here by, right clicking here and clicking on file upload and then browsing for that file like that. Or like any normal person would guys, you can come here and let me show you. We're going to drag and drop, okay? This is the most simplest way. So we're going to first locate our PDF file. For example, this is one of the PDF files right here. We can upload this one or maybe this one here. All right, you just drag this and drop, okay? You just drag and drop here. Make sure it's a PDF file type, but you can also upload another file type. It doesn't really matter. So we're just going to be dragging and dropping right here into Google Drive. And here it says drop files to upload them to tutorial recording. Okay, so it's starting the upload. And once it has uploaded, I want to show you just how we can actually share this link. All right. Okay, file has been uploaded. You can do this. Click here to show file location. It's right here. So you click on these three dots, okay? Click on these three dots. You want to click on share, and you want to make sure that this is set to anyone with link, okay? So anyone with this link can view this and download the file. If you set it as editor, only the people you add with email can see it, okay? The reason currently showing anyone as link, it is because I had made this setting for the whole folder, okay? So as long as you have this to anyone with link and not restricted, you just want to copy that link and send it to whoever you actually want to send it to. For example, right here, I can paste that link right here and boom, guys, it's literally that easy and simple. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, guys. On if you need any help, I'll help you out in the comments. Till next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guy.